Welcome. This is an introduction to the restoration of my 2 Libra Vitruvian Ballista Bestia. As you can see, there's bits of her all over the workshop. I will be making a video in more detail in the coming days, just to walk through what we have in front of us. Here we have the base of the stand, along with one of the front stanchions of the hull carriers. On the table we have the stanchion fillets. They've just been sanded down, they've been degreased and have been painted. Here we have the hull carriers, springs and arms with the washers and levers. They have been painted, they've been brought down, finished, degreased, painted. I didn't touch the winding this time on the springs because it was actually perfect. It was quite sweet. But again, I will have to clean the washers and the springs. They're quite muddy from last year, and I'll have to clean down the levers as well. This is the other one. And the base plate, stanchion plate there, or stanchion tags, stanchion studs. That's those in front. You'll see there's the equivalent to the stanchion studs on the bottom. The arm itself coming through the spring. I make an apology because I'm certainly no cameraman, that's for sure. I'm completely out of practice with this kind of thing. They're approximately, what are they, about 1.4 meters high off the ground. Here we have the yoke. Next to that, we actually have the body of the engine itself, so that's the ladder section with the case. See part of it there. On the bottom of that is the slider, and on top of the slider you will see as part of the stand. In here we have the rest of the stanchions. They've actually been filed down and cleaned, and in time they will be brought back up to the same condition as the stanchion that we see in front of the stand here. Again, apologies for my absolutely lousy film work. Here we have the second part of the stand, and then we have the additional 2 staunts and stanchions for supporting the back of the hull carriers, the springs, onto the ladder section itself and body section itself. Like I said, this is just an introduction. As you can see, there's bits and pieces of the poor engine everywhere. These are some of the projectiles. While this is a 2 Libra machine, these are 6 and 10 Libra balls. As you can see, there's a space for two Libra balls that I never finished. These were purely for the purposes of experimentation. And yes, this is a large farm building workshop, which doesn't belong to me, but luckily I have access to. So over the next number of days, I'll be going through this machine in a bit more detail, going through the restoration in a bit more detail. So stay tuned. And again, if you have any tips on how to make videos look a bit more presentable, I'd much appreciate them. Thank you very much for now.